it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Hey guys, I'm Julia Dantas and I'm going to show you this super duper fun and easy makeup and hair tutorial so you are all set for all of the holidays and all the selfies that come along with it. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep on watching. So the first thing you want to do is you wake up and you put a nice moisturizer on your face. Moving into this CoverGirl foundation, it is super lightweight. You could also use a tinted moisturizer or a BB cream, just something to give you a touch of coverage. And I'm just working this into my skin with my fingers. I'm going to apply a touch of concealer, and you can totally skip this step, but I really like this step because it helps brighten up your under eye area. And I'm just blending this in with my fingers, and the warmth of my fingers is just going to blend this in for a really nice seamless blend. So I like to do dabbing motions as well, just to further work it into the skin. Moving on to the Smashbox Ablaze palette, I'm going to go into this really nice bronze shade, and I'm using a fluffy brush just to give myself a little bit more warmth to my skin. Since it's winter, we all kind of lose our tans, so I'm just going to bronze up my face. Going back into the same palette, I'm going to pick up that blush, and it is absolutely so pretty, using the exact same brush to apply this, and I'm just dusting this on the apples of my cheeks and then blending it back into my cheekbones just to warm up my face even more. Gonna go into that highlighter again with the same brush, and I'm just gonna kind of angle my brush so it's more on a side now, and we're just gonna highlight the high points of our face, so our cheekbones, my nose, a little bit on my cupid's bow, and then I'm actually gonna use my ring finger just to apply this right down the bridge of my nose. Brows are something that can literally take me forever in the morning, so to save me some time today, I'm using a brow tint. So this is by Benefit, and I'm just going to work this throughout my brows to give me a little bit more definition without spending so long on my brows. Going back into that palette, I'm picking up that bronze shade, and I'm just going to pop that right into my crease to give my eyes a little bit more definition. And if you don't have that palette, you could totally just use a bronzer kicking around. And I'm just using a fluffy eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics, going into that highlighter shade with the same brush, and I'm just going to dust this on the inner half of my eye just to help brighten up this look. Last but not least for the eyes, I'm just coating my lashes with some mascara. This one is from NARS and it's called the Climax Mascara. I love using this mascara because it's so easy to create volume lashes. Last but not least, I'm going to go into this Bite Beauty lip mask, and I'm applying this all over my lips. It's so pretty and shiny, but also is going to hydrate your lips so much. Moving on to my lovely lion's mane, but seriously, who has time to do your hair on Christmas morning? I'm just brushing out my hair, and I'm just going to section with my fingers. You can totally use a comb if you don't have dagger nails like me. And we're just going to section out 2 pieces at the front of your hair, and these are about 1 inch thick. And then we're just going to pull my hair up into a really nice bun. I'm just using my fingers to kind of brush through my hair to get out all of the little bumps. And then we're just going to twirl my hair and wrap it around and create a little bun. Next up, we're just going to secure this with an elastic. Then I'm going to start pulling out pieces on my bun to really exaggerate it, as well as pieces at the front of my hair to give this more of a messy look. And last but not least, we are going to be using an inch curling wand, curling away from my face, leaving the tail part out. And I really like doing this technique because the hair is framing your face. Alrighty guys, so here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and remember to follow me at Julia Dantas Beauty, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!